Hello everyone, this is Dakansha from English Logger. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is confidence. What exactly is confidence? How do you gain it? Is it really attractive? Why is confidence so important? To know the answers of all these questions, we just know the meaning of confidence and how we can build it. I just hope that this video will gonna help you to build the confidence level. So here we'll start with that. What actually here will understand that what actually confidence is. I don't believe that confidence is what you have by birth. When I was a child, I didn't have confidence. I had low self-esteem and it was affected my life. How to overcome the fear of confidence? There are many things which are surely gonna help you to overcome the fear of confidence. The very first is believe in yourself, self-belief, self-esteem, or trust yourself. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are saying, just have trust on yourself, which is very important to build confidence. Confidence is believing in yourself, feeling comfortable in your true self. If you start believing in yourself, it will surely gonna help you. If you feel that you can achieve what you want to achieve in your life, it will work. It will definitely work. Just try to be confident, try to start believing in yourself. Don't feel hesitate, okay, I can't do this, I can't do that. Knowing you have worth, if you are confident, you can present yourself in a better way in front of anyone, and that builds confidence in you. Actually, when you start presenting yourself in the best way in front of anyone, you will not hesitate to share your views with someone, and you will be free. You will feel free to communicate with anyone at any time in any place. It brings success in your life. It helps to connect well with others, and you generally feel happier if you are able to do so. You can feel secure if you are a confident person. If you think that you are able to share your things or share your feelings, share your emotions, share your views without any hesitation, so that builds confidence in you. And for all these, you have to believe in yourself first of all. If I know that my opinion and what I'm gonna share with someone, that is absolutely fine, I'm okay with that. If I believe in that, I surely try to give my opinion to someone or for something, and that builds confidence in me. So start believing in yourself if you want to build confidence in you. That is a very important point. Believe in yourself and in your abilities is very important to build self-confidence. It means that you need to think that, okay, these are my abilities, the things you can do, the things you cannot do. You need to identify those. The things you can do it in the best manner. The things you cannot do, think why you are not able to do those things. That builds confidence if you are able to do those things which you are not able to do, which you are thinking that you are not capable to do those things. So that builds confidence. And if you don't believe in yourself, then it hardly matters. It doesn't matter how talented you are and how big your dreams are, because you are not confident. How you are able to present yourself, how you are able to show your talent to someone, or how you do something to fulfill your dreams, you are not able to do that because you are not confident. So start believing in yourself, do something for you, and it gives you happiness. And when you be happy, and that builds confidence in you, definitely. Trust yourself, which is again a very important or helpful thing you can do for yourself. It builds your confidence. To have trust in yourself, that is very important. Set reasonable goals for yourself. I'm not saying okay, you have to think tomorrow, today you are not able to dance, and tomorrow I just say you to present yourself in front of everyone. No, just give a small targets or goals to yourself and try to fulfill those. Suppose if you are planning to complete a task in 2 weeks, so you can target yourself to complete it 1 week. That is a small goal, and that you can fulfill, that you can achieve, and that gives happiness to you. Like this, you can set reasonable goals which give confidence to you, or which gives confidence, which builds confidence in you, and that is important. So give small targets to you and try to achieve those. That gives happiness to you, and that builds confidence in you. Setting our goals high can be a good thing, because it motivates us to work hard for what we want. But many of the times what will happen, that when we set big goals to ourselves and we don't able to reach our big goals, then we experience failure, and it often can reduce our self confidence, which is not again a very good thing. So always start giving a small goal to yourself and try to achieve that. Try to work hard to achieve those goals, and it will gonna build your confidence level. Build your own strength. You need to identify your strengths, you need to identify your weaknesses, and try to overcome your weaknesses. You need to think that what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, and how I can overcome my weaknesses, and what things you excel at. If you be able to find all these answers, you be the confident person. Trusting yourself means being able to attempt all kinds of things without judging yourself too harshly. Don't be harsh on yourself. Give time to yourself. Be a good motivator for you, that if you are not able to do a thing, or if you are not able to do anything, or you are not able to do what you want to do, so give time to yourself. Push yourself, motivate yourself. Okay, I can do this, I can do that, I am okay, I am fine, I will be fine, I can do this. So be a good motivator to yourself. Motivate yourself, and soon you are able to achieve what you want to achieve. So pamper yourself, which is important to build confidence. Spend time with yourself. This is again very important, that to spend time with yourself is one of the best way to build confidence, as we don't have time nowadays. We are all busy in our own world, and that we don't have time to ourselves. So give time to yourself. Do meditation for 5 to 15 minutes. Sit in that environment where you can find peace, and where you can think about yourself, where you can think that what things you did till now, what have you achieved till now, what you want to become, what are you doing nowadays, what is right, what is wrong for you. There are many things to ask for yourself. Ask questions to yourself and sit in the peaceful environment, and this is the best practice which you can do to build self-confidence. So try to do that, and surely you'll be the confident person soon. Love yourself unconditionally. What does it mean? That we need to love ourselves first. The way we are loving to others, the way we are caring to others. Self-love, self-care is very important. The love which we are sharing with our parents, with our siblings, with our friends, with all the close ones, the same love you need to do to yourself, and that builds confidence. Give time to those people to whom you are comfortable with, to express you in the best way, to share your things, to share your ideas, to share your feelings, emotions, and which helps you to be friendly, expressive, and loving. So find out those people, find out those environment in which you are comfortable. Take note if you feel vulnerable or uncomfortable or helpless. Keep spending time with those people until your insecure feelings start to disappear. Give maximum time or spend maximum time with them until or unless you are not start feeling comfortable, you are not start feeling confident. So you need to give time, you need to spend time with them. Be decisive. It means that having or showing the abilities to make decisions quickly or effectively. Many times we are making decision but we are not confident. Might be we get hurt also that what decision I have taken for me and for others as well, because we people are not confident while taking decisions. So when we think, most of the time it happens that when we think about any decision we made in our life, we lack trust in ourselves, that when we ask question that who we are and what decision I have made, we get upset or that can hurt us. So stop questioning yourself about your decision making, because you have to be confident enough on your decision that okay, this decision I have taken and this is the best one for me. And if it is not so, then also it is okay, fine. The next time it will not gonna repeat again. I will not take this decision again. Just be calm. Don't be harsh. Don't be too harsh with yourself. Stick what decision you have made for yourself. Whether it turns out not to be the best decision, then too it's fine for you. So be decisive, and that builds confidence. Concentrate on your skills in which you are good at. Do work hard for that. Do work on your skills which you like the most, and be passionate about it, because passion is very important in any field, in anything in your life. Passion is very important. So be passionate about it, and that builds confidence in you. Don't be affected by the bully of any person. Don't be affected by the bully of people. Often people who bully others, they are unhappy, sometimes at school, at home, or at workplace. So remember that they have some problem in them, not in you. So just ignore what they say to you and don't blame yourself for anything in your life. So make sure that you yourself not be affected by the bully of someone. Grab the opportunities which are coming in your ways. For that, you need to recognize the opportunities. You need to be a good visualizer and work hard if you availed any opportunity, and be ambitious in your life, which is very important. And just think that you want everything in your life, but without harming someone. This is another thing, and this is actually very important. You not harm anyone, but you need everything in your life. So just to achieve all those things, you need to be an ambitious person, and that builds confidence. Confidence is a very beautiful thing that you can possess. With this quotation, I would like to end up today's session. Thank you and have a nice day. Do subscribe, do like, do share my channel.